A chromosome is a tiny structure inside cells that carries genetic information. A karyotype is the complete set of chromosomes in a cell, arranged and sorted by their number, size, shape, and banding patterns. A banding pattern refers to the alternating light and dark stripes or bands seen on chromosomes when stained with dyes and viewed under a microscope. The process of preparing and analyzing a karyotype is called karyotyping. After karyotyping, the chromosomes are arranged into a standardized format known as a karyogram, where they are organized by size, centromere position, and banding patterns. Karyotyping starts with sample collection, where cells are taken from blood, bone marrow, or amniotic fluid from a pregnant woman. These cells are then cultured in the lab to grow in number. Chemical agents such as colchicine are added to arrest cell division at metaphase when chromosomes are most visible. Next, cells are placed in a hypotonic solution, such as potassium chloride and sodium citrate, that makes them swell. This spreads out the chromosomes for a clearer view. The cells are then treated with a fixative, such as Carnoy's fixative, to preserve their structure and stained with a dye to highlight unique banding patterns. Under a microscope, images of the chromosome are captured, which are then arranged in a standardized format called a karyogram. This makes it easier to spot any missing, extra, or altered chromosomes. Karyotyping is fundamental to genetic research and medical diagnostics. It helps identify numerical abnormalities, like extra or missing chromosomes, as well as structural changes, such as broken or rearranged chromosomes, which can cause genetic disorders. It also plays a key role in gender determination, as it reveals the presence of XX or XY chromosomes. Karyotyping isn't just for humans. It is also applied broadly to examine how different species, from mice to maize, are genetically linked through evolution. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for